Does one person need this many salad dressings?
Hello and welcome to this week's Declutter with Me video. Cleaning out my messy fridge. But don't worry, it's gonna turn out great and got it super organized.
Hey guys, welcome to today's Declutter with Me video, where I will be doing my refrigerator. There it is. If you watched my video last week, you know I just did a big declutter of my kitchen, but the inside of my fridge and freezer both need to be cleaned out and organized. If you want to do it with me, please join in. But first, I want to say thank you to the 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. Some of you I know and a lot of you I don't. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We'll be doing lots of videos like these where I'm just getting my life together and we can get started.
I came prepared, honey. I came prepared. I've got fridge liner. I've got a Time Mart multifunction storage bin, premium material. And I have this refrigerator pull-out drawer. Oops, forgot my little pamphlet there. So here's where we're starting. The freezer and the fridge, both a mess. This fridge is not functional at all. I don't know how I've been surviving. We've got crowd control here in case anything falls on the floor. Thank you, Samson. So I believe it's Confucius who said that the first step in decluttering is to take everything out. And I abide by that philosophical rule. It's really important, and especially for a fridge, you just gotta take everything out. And what I learned about myself is that I have a serious condiment addiction. It's out of control and I'm ashamed. Seriously, who needs this many condiments?
Oh my God. I am shocked at how much can fit in a little teeny tiny refrigerator. Haven't even emptied out the freezer yet, but the fridge is filled with a lot of, oh my God. A whole lot of, oh my God. Woo! Yeah. This is embarrassing. This is truly embarrassing. Sorry, I'm sorry. What? This is insane. Who needs this many condiments?
Now I'm doing what I always do when I declutter, which is just to pick up one item at a time and make a decision. It's my favorite principle when it comes to decluttering. And honestly, 90% of these salad dressings, I counted 17, I believe. 90% of them were expired, so out they went. I mean, I had things hiding in here since 1902 I didn't even know about. Crazy town. So yeah, I'm just taking one item at a time, and anything expired, anything I don't use, I'm getting rid of and I'm tossing it. And you see that tower of ranch? That's my favorite salad dressing. I have found the holy grail of all ranch dressings, and it's from Wingstop. And it's honestly the salad dressing that I use 90% of the time, so why do I have all those other salad dressings? One big bag of trash going out. Now I just decided to give things a deep clean. I pulled out all the shelves, scrubbed them down, and the crisper basket also got a good scrub. I have a free 23-page guidebook for decluttering. It's over at my website. Just go to thecarlaproject.com. Oh, and also follow me on Instagram. This is my little pitch. Follow me on Instagram, get my free guide, subscribe, like. Happy to have you here. Here I am spraying the inside of the refrigerator, getting all those little grooves at the top that catch food, getting inside the bins, doing a deep cleaning, scrubbing. I really put work in here, you guys. This was hard work.
Look at this. Oh my God, I look destroyed. Fridge is cleaned out. What, am I out of shape? I don't know. And it's hot in here. It's really hot in my kitchen because the stove is always on. It's a vintage stove, so it always has heat. Okay, I'm done cleaning it out. Now it's time to put all the things I'm keeping back in with some organization.
Okay, now I have my tower of ranch, and what I've decided to do is put it into a glass jar. That's what I'm doing to make things more aesthetically pleasing in my fridge, is taking as many things as possible out of their packaging and putting it into glass containers. Did the same thing with my sun-dried tomatoes. Now I'm just making myself a fancy glass of water. I add some cucumber and some lemon. Again, just something to make me smile when I open my refrigerator door. Here I am just cutting out the fridge lining, measuring it, super easy. I'm super happy with how it looks, and I love this little pull-out drawer that I got. It's perfect for cheese. I have a cheese drawer, y'all. Now I have a cheese drawer. I'm done, guys. I finished and I'm beat. I am beat. Take a look at my finished, organized fridge and freezer. It does feel good, and I think it looks pretty good too. Let me give you a little fridge tour. Here on the top shelf, I now own 4 salad dressings, you guys. It is a Christmas miracle. And I've got my butter, my garlic, my mustard, just some basic dips and dressings on the top shelf. Down here, it's more marinades. I've got my pickles, my steak sauce, my barbecue sauce, and this works for me. I'm making a fridge that works for me. It really is a small fridge. Down here, I've got both sparkling and flat water. Very fancy. Oh, I just love it. And I love this drawer here because I can see everything. I've got my carrots, my sea kelp noodles, my spinach, and my short ribs, which I will be making for dinner tonight. This is a medication drawer. I need it. I have chronic migraines, so I have an injection in there that I take once a month, and my probiotics. I'll probably end up moving the yogurt. This is my cheese and prosciutto box. Also very fancy. It really is awesome. I have my prosciutto, my cheese, my sausage in there. It's really, really perfect. Love this little egg holder, pretty in pink. I've got my bamboo lid glass container. And I like having this earth colored bowl that I just decided to put the fresh veggies out. I think it looks really pleasing to the eye. And it's practical. So I'm trying to make it functional and practical. With the freezer, it was really easy. I just put my veggies in one bin, my seafood in another bin. That's it for this week's video, you guys. Subscribe and pick up my free decluttering workbook at thecarlaproject.com. See you guys next week. Bye. And today's video is going to be all about decluttering. You know what? Let's start over.